Hello Year 3. We'll be learning about digital technology, designing a graph using Microsoft Word, and then looking at how the graph represents the data we have found. And in this case, it's going to regard students' favorite sport. In order to do this, we're going to need to know how to collect the data using a survey, how to tally or write our results down, and then creating the graph using Microsoft Word. So after carrying out a survey with our Year 3 students, these are our findings. Now, do we have a total of 26 students? Let's check. Yes, we do. Now the next step was to create a graph using the data we had collected. The first thing we need to do is to open our Word document, and that is done by clicking that tab on our menu bar. Once you've opened a clean Word document, click on the Insert tab located on the top left side. Then click on Chart, and this is what will appear. Click on the first option. So this is what's going to appear. As you can see, we have too many series or categories. So the first thing we need to do is highlight these two tabs, right click and press delete. So now what we need to do is increase the number of sports that we can fill in. In order to do that, we need to click on the bottom right corner of the blue box and drag it down to number 7. In tab A is going to be our sports, and tab B the number of students. So once we fill in all the details and we get out of Excel, this is what we'll find. Now, I think we should add a few more details to our graph. So in order to do that, we need to go to our Chart Tools, press our Design tab, and then this is what we'll find. Select the 9th layer. So this is what will appear after clicking the 9th layer. Now we have to change a few of the details. So the title is now going to be Year 3's favorite sports. The x-axis is going to be the sports, and then the y-axis is going to be the number of students. So now that our graph is done, what can we identify? We can see the Year 3's most favorite sport, we can see the least favorite sport, and we can identify the difference in numbers between the students and their favorite sports. So where to from here? We could create a pie graph or other graphs for the data we collected. We can look at new categories like the Year 3's favorite food, favorite color, where they're from around the world, and so much more. So now that you've gone through this, great job! You did it! Now it's your turn to create a graph. Good luck!
Created using Powtoon.